In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your App Store country or region. Now you want to head to your App Store. To gain full access of applications and App Store services without regional restrictions, the best way is to always change your App Store country or region. You want to tap onto your profile icon and head to your profile. Here you might be required to first enter your Apple ID password to access your account settings. Now on this page, you just want to head to country or region. You can either scroll through or simply head to the search bar and search for that specific region. Here you just want to tap on Continue, and then proceed by clicking on Agree to enter in the any address of that specific region. And once everything is set, tap on Done to save changes. Your App Store country will update successfully. Here you will have access to all apps in that country that might be restricted in other regions. Well, that's how easy it is to change your App Store country. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.